In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a home care or personal care website using WordPress. So everything that I am going to use inside of this long video, I'll be sharing all of those assets in the description. So if you want to follow the process, you can simply check the description of this video and then you can download all the resources from there and then you can follow along and create your own website. So if you are interested, then without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you want to do is to install a template kit that you can find from Envato Elements, and for this tutorial I'm using this kit that is called SUSTI Home Care and Private Nursing Services Elementor kit, and right here you can see the template that it provides. So we are going to use exactly this template in order to create our website. So first thing that you want to do is to download this kit from there. Obviously you can download it from the description of this video. I already have this kit downloaded. So I'll just download it without a license from there on my computer, and then you can go to the dashboard of your website. So right here you can see I am already in the dashboard of my website. So here you can see I'm already in the dashboard. If I go to the plugins section, you can see I have Elementor and Elementor Pro installed along with the Envato Elements plugin. You can download these plugins by clicking this add new button here. Then if I go to this appearance tab, from here you need to install this hello theme, and for that you can click here add new theme, and in this search theme option here you can search for hello elementor, and once you will search for hello elementor you will find this theme here. So you will have to install and activate this thing. So once you will install and activate this thing, next thing what you actually need to do is to hover over to this elements tab right here, and from here you want to click on this installed kits option here and then click on this plus icon. From here I know that I have already downloaded this SUSTI kit, so I'll import that SUSTI kit inside of this Envato Elements plugin, and there you can see this has been already imported. So now what you can do is to simply import the template kit. So I'll click on the import template kit for the global style kit and it will automatically import the global styles. Now if I go to the website, you can notice that we have a kind of like a different color for this heading right here. Now we actually need to create some pages that we want on the website. So I'll go to this all pages panel right here and then I'll remove all the pages that are already there. So once you will download all the pages, the next thing that you want to do is to click on this add new page, and once you will click on add new page you will have to wait until it will get loaded, and from here you can click on these three dots and then from here click on full screen mode, and then from here click on this add title, and the first page that we want is called home, and then under this template you want to choose the Elementor full width and then click on this publish button. Now you want to copy the exact same process to create other pages. So the other pages that I require is the service page, so I'll create a services page, and then once again for the template I'll change it to the Elementor full width and then I'll click on this publish button. The next page that we might need is an about page, so I'll add an about page here, and then from the template you can choose Elementor full width and then you can click on this publish button. Now the last page that I want is called the contact page, so that people can contact us on the website by filling out some forms. So I'll create a contact page, and then from here you have to choose Elementor full width template and then you can click on publish. So now if I go to all pages you can see we only have these 4 pages. Obviously you can create any number of pages that you want, but I am just going to demonstrate these 4 pages in this tutorial. So let's create some navigation items. So hover over to this appearance and then go to this menus, and once you will go to this menus, from here type in the menu name. This can be anything, so I'll name it as main menu, and then click on this create new, and then from here click on this view all because we want to create all of these pages. So click on this select new and then click on add to menu, and here you can see all of these items are added to the menu. I want to remove this custom link option from here, so I'll delete it, and then you can simply hold and drag these items above and below. So I want the order of home, services, about and contact, and then from here I want to set the display location to header, and then you can click on save menu, and with that you have this navigation menu created. Now if I go to the website and if I refresh our website, you can see this is where our navigation menus are showing. Now you have done that, we actually need to set our home page as the front page of our website. So for that you want to hover over to this settings and then you want to go to this reading tabs right here, and then where it says a static page, click on the static page, and then from the drop down choose the home, and then hit save changes. Now if I go back to the website and if I refresh my website, you can see that now our home page is actually the front page of our website. Now you can go back. The next thing you want to do is to set the permalink structure. So in the permalink structure settings, make sure you have this post name selected, and then you can click on this save changes option right there. Now once you have done that, the next thing that you want to do is to go back to the kit that we were imported. So you want to hover over to this elements, and then you can click on this install kits, and then once again click on install kits. So here you can see we have these two requirements that we actually need to fulfill before we actually start creating our pages. So click on install requirements button, and then it will show up. So for this kit we require the elements kit lite plugin and the Matform plugin. We do not need any premium plugin. So simply click on install above selected plugins, and once you will click that, it will automatically start installing these plugins, and it will also automatically activate those plugins. So now if I go to this plugin section right here, so here you can see we have this elements kit lite and Matform showing up right there. So that means our plugins have been installed. So now let's just start by creating the header and the footer first of all. So give this window a refresh, and once you will refresh this, here you will see this option elements kit, and here you will see this option header footer. So click on this header footer option right here, and once you will click here, this kind of window will come up. Just scroll all the way down and then click on next step, then once again click on next step, do the same thing, and once again if you want you can share non-sensitive data, but I don't like to share that data. So you can click on next step, and then once again you can click on next step, and then you can click on save changes, and now this plugin settings have been configured successfully. Now you can click on header footer option right here, and in here we can actually create our own header. So click on this header tab right here, and then click on add new button, and in the title part right here simply type in header, and in the type make sure you choose header because this is going to be the header, and then under the condition make sure you choose entire site, and then click on edit content, and once you will click on edit content, then the Elementor page builder will start getting loaded on your website. So you will have to wait until the Elementor page builder will get loaded on the website. So here you can see it is almost loaded here. Then from here what you want to do is to click on this green icon here, and then from here you will find your kit. So click on the kit right here, and these are all the templates. So from the template you want to choose this block header. So click on insert template, and once you will click on insert template, it will automatically start importing the template for you, and here you can see this is how our template is looking. So obviously you can create all of these details here. You can type in your own address here, your own phone number here, you can insert the link of your own social media handles right here, you can insert your logo. Obviously I want to change the logo. So for the logo what I can do is to click on this image right here, and there is the logo that I want to use. So I'll select the logo, and then I'll click on this select button, and here you can see this is how our logo is looking. Now this is the navigation menu. So click on this pencil icon here, and there you will see this option select menu. Click here and then choose main menu, and it will start showing the main menu that we have created. Then there we have a button get a quote. You can change this button to anything, so I'll change it to get started now, so that we have a nice call to action here. And if you want you can increase or decrease the width of your logo. So I actually want to increase the width of my logo. So you can see this is how our logo is looking now. So I'll simply click on this update button, and now once it will get updated, now if I go back to the website and if I refresh our website, you cannot find the header that we have created. So what you actually need to do is to go back from here. So click on exit button right here. Once again hover over to this elements kit, and then click on this header footer. Here you will find this header. So click on this edit button right here, and here you will see this button activate or deactivate. Click on toggle this on, and then click on save changes. Now let's go back to the website, and now if I refresh, you can see our new header is showing up something like this. Now we need to insert the template for the footer. So for the footer, click on this footer tab right here, and once you will click here, click on this add new button and add a title as footer. And then from here for the type, make sure you choose this footer from here, and then click on activate option this here, and then click on save changes. And once you will do that, here you will find this footer here, then click on this edit button and then click on edit content. And once you will click on this edit content, this will start getting loaded. So once it will get loaded, what you actually want to do is to click on this green icon here, then select the kit that we are using, and here is our footer block. So click on this insert template button right here, and once you will click on this insert template, your footer template will get inserted, something like this. And then from here you can actually start changing the settings however you want. So first of all, I want to change the logo, so I'll click here, and then from here I'll select the logo that we have. Then I'll click on this insert button right here, and then you can adjust the width. So our website name is Assignment of Love, so I'll click here, and then in here I'll change it to Assignment of Love, something like that. And then where it says quick links, we can quickly adjust these links. So we have home, about us, our services page on the website. We don't have our work and the pricing plan. We have a contact us page also on the website. Also, we don't have disclaimer, privacy policy and terms and condition on the website. So I'm going to just delete it from here, and then I can also remove this column from here, so that we'll only have one column right here. So once that's done, I'll click on this update button right here. Now if I go back to our website, and now if I refresh our website, you can see now our footer is also showing up exactly like how we wanted. Now I actually want to make this logo transparent, so I'll save this image on the desktop as a PNG. Then I'll go to the Google and I'll search for remove background from images. And then once you will search that, here you have this website, Adobe's website, or you can use this website, whichever website you want to use. So I generally use the Adobe website because it gives good results. So I'll click here, and then from here you can upload your own image. So I'll click on upload image. You will have to wait until the Adobe panel will get loaded, and then from here you can click on browse. I have uploaded the logo on the desktop, so I'll click the logo, and here you can see it is already started loading. You can see the quality is not very good, so I can actually go back because it hasn't provided us the good result. So then you can open this website or this website right here. So click on remove.bg website, and then click on this upload image, and then once again I'll click on the image right here, and let's see what kind of results it will produce. And now you can see it is pretty much the good results that we wanted. So now I'll click on this download button right here, and here you can see it has downloaded the logo for us. So now I'll go back here, then I'll click on the image again, then I'll go to the content and I'll select the logo, and then I'll click on the upload file because we want to upload the logo that we just make transparent. So I'll select the logo that we have, and then I'll click on select, and here you can see now we have a transparent version of the logo. And then you can click on update button, and once you will update that, here if we go back to the website and if I refresh, now you can see we have this transparent logo showing up something like this. Now that we have created the header and footer of the website, we can go back to the dashboard by clicking here and then click on exit button, and now we are back to the WordPress dashboard. Now you will get back here. We can actually start creating our pages. So you can click on this pages option right here, and then from here we want to start with the home. So click on the edit button and then click on edit with Elementor. So now you will again have to wait until the Elementor page builder will get loaded, and then here you can see it is already loaded. You can click on this green icon from here, then click here, and then scroll down here, and you will find this option home one. So we want to import this template, so click on insert template, and you will have to wait until this template will get imported. So now here you can see our template is already imported. You just need to give it some time until all the images and everything else should get imported properly. So now as I scroll down, you can see this is how our template is looking. We can obviously change or update anything of the website. We can change the images, we can change the content, we can change the testimonials buttons. We can also add our testimonials in here, and if you want to have a separate blog area on your website, you have that option available here as well. So now here you can see this is how it is looking, but the only thing that is missing here is that we don't have a contact form here. So you can click here, and then you can click on edit form option right here, and then click on blank form here, or you can name it as contact form. and then make sure you choose this blank template and then click on edit form. So once you will click on this edit form, once again in this panel you will have the Elementor page builder, and you will have to wait until it will get loaded. Then from here click on this green icon and then scroll down. Here you will see this form, schedule form. So click on insert template, and once you will click on insert template, once again it will get loaded, something like this. Don't worry about this, just click on the update button, and once you will update this, click on update and close. And once you will close this, you can see this is how our form is looking. So now we have our form as well as the page that we have laid out. So as if I scroll down, you can see we have an about us page, a features page, why choose as section, and then what we do section, services that we offer section, and then pricing plan section, and then we have how it works for the process section, a logo slider, and a testimonial section, and at the end we have a blog section. So we have pretty much everything that you might require on a landing page or the home page of your website. So as I scroll up, you can see through every section that we have created. Now the only problem we are having once again is that this logo that I have selected have the background, so we need to fix that. So I'll expand this and then I'll click on this update here. Now if I hover over there, you can see we have this option that says edit post. So click on this edit post option right here, and once you will click on edit post, we need to change this logo here. So click on this tiny pencil icon, click on this logo image and select the transparent version of the logo that we want to use, and then click on this select, and now this logo is transparent. I'll click on this update button, and now as I hover down here, you have this option edit page. Click on the edit page option right here and wait until the Elementor page builder will get loaded. So here you can see Elementor page builder is loaded now, and now we have this transparent logo showing up at the top, and now we have these navigation items with a button and a separate menu for the hamburger. If you want to use that, we can use that. All right, now we can actually start changing everything on the website, but I'm not going to show you how exactly. But the easiest way is that click anywhere on the website, and here you will see the heading title, or you can simply click here and then you can start typing in your own content anyways you want. You have the complete freedom for that. All right, if you want to change the images, just click on the image, and here you will find the image. Click on the image, upload your own image, and then click select, and the images will get updated. So now that we have this home page created, we can actually go back. Now if I click on the pages again, we want to insert the about page. So I'll click on this about edit, and then click on edit with Elementor option right here. Now if you will click on this edit with Elementor option, the Elementor page builder will once again will get loaded. Click on this green icon right there, click on the kit that we are using, and from all of these templates we want to find an about page template. So scroll down until you will see the about us section. So click here and wait until it will get completed. So now you can see our about us page template is also imported successfully, and this is how our about us page is looking. We have a section for the mission, vision, special offers, and then we have a number counter, and then we have a section for our team as well. So now it looks good. I'll simply click on this update button, and now we can actually create a page for our services. So I'll go back to the dashboard, and then I'll click on the pages. Here is the services page. Click on edit button right here, and then click on edit with Elementor. Wait until the Elementor page builder will get loaded here, and then once again click on this green icon right there. Click on this kit, and this time you want to find a services template. So search for services, scroll down until you will see this option are services. Click on insert template, and it will insert the services page template for us. So once again we'll have to wait until the services page template will get inserted here. Now here you can see our services page template is already imported, and this is how our services page template is looking. Now you can click on this update button right here. Now the only page that we have left that we need to import is the contact page. So I'll click on this exit button right here. But before that, we need to look at some settings for the Met forms. So hover over to this Met forms and click on the forms. And then once again, you will have this option right here. Just click on next step, next step, next step. And once again, do the same thing and then click on save changes. And once you will do that, it will take you from here. And then from here, you can click on forms. Now here you can see the contact form that we have added here. We can actually change the name of it. So I want to change the name of it to lead form. That's it. And then you can click on save changes. And once you will do that, we are good here. Now let's just go back to the pages right here, and here we have this contact page. So click on this edit option right here, and then from here click on edit with elementor. And once you will click on edit with elementor, the page builder will start getting loaded again. And once it will get loaded, click on this green icon right here and then click here. And then from here, what you actually want to do is to find the contact page template. So search for contact page. Here we have the contact us page. Click on insert template and wait until this contact us page will get imported successfully on the website. Now here you can see we have the contact us page, but we don't have the form that we actually require on this contact us page. So as you hover over, you can see we have something here. Just click there, and here you will see this option edit form. Click there, and this time click on this new here and type it contact or contact form. Make sure you choose this blank template and then click on edit form. And once you will click on this edit form, wait until the Elementor page builder will get loaded in this light box or the pop-up. And then from here, click on this green icon, choose the kit that we are using, and this time we want to look for contact form. So here is our contact form. I'll click on this insert template option right here. Don't worry how it is looking. Just click on this update button. And then from here, click on update and close. And here you can see this is how it is looking. Now you can click on this update button, and now we have this contact us page created as well. Now we can actually go back to the dashboard of our website again. Now if we go to the front end of our website, you can see that now we have this home page that is beautifully crafted, that we have created like in about 20 minutes. And then you can take your time to customize your content according to these sections right here. And once you will do that, you will have further pages such as the services page. So if you will click on the services page, here you can see we have already imported the services page successfully. And next up we have this about page. You can click on the about page, and in here you can actually type in the content for your about page. And at the last we have a contact page, and in here you can insert the details for your contact information. Now this is not all. Let me just show you how you will make this panel available here. So now here it says click on edit content button to edit or add the content. As I hover over here, you can see we don't have any option to edit this content here. So let me just show you how you can edit this panel right here. So to edit the content of this off canvas menu right here, what you actually need to do is to hover over where it says edit with Elementor and then click on header. And once you will click on header, once again the Elementor page builder will start getting loaded. You will have to wait until it will completely get loaded. Now here you can see we have this off canvas. So click on the off canvas, and here in this panel you can see it says header off canvas. And here when you hover over, you have this button that will say edit content. So click on the edit content button and let the Elementor page builder to get loaded completely on this page. So here you can see it has been loaded here. Now you can actually click on this green icon, then click here, and then from all of these kits templates, you need to find this off canvas contents, and then click on insert template, and then you will have to wait until it will get imported. So here it is imported. You can click on update button here, and once it will get updated, you can actually close this. Now if you will close this, and now if you will click here, you can see now we have a content showing up like this. Now you can simply update this. And now if I go back to the main website, and now if I click here, you can see now we have content showing up here. So in this way you can create a home care website or the private nursing website or the similar kind of services websites using Elementor page builder in WordPress. So I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, be sure to like this video. This will help me reach more people on YouTube. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment sections. If you want me to create your website or to help you create your website, I'll drop my contact details somewhere in the video. You can reach out to me using the email or the WhatsApp. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon to always get the latest video updates. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.